everyone. So today's morning we will discuss on another topic. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. By the way, my name is Adel Grace M. Gia, and then my name is Miran Edicina.
My name is Rick John T. Morales.
My name is John Frederick Buat.
And we are the Group 3 reporters. Before we start, I would like you to listen attentively because at the end of this lesson, you are expected to do these learning outcomes. Identify the rules and function of social work. To understand the 7 rules of social workers.
To know the different functions of social workers.
But before I introduce the 7 rules of social workers, has anyone had an idea what is social workers? Social worker assists people by helping them cope with issues in their everyday lives, deals with the relationships, and solve personal and family problems. So it means that ang social worker as sila ang kanang nag-assist or nagtabang sa mga people nga na issue sa ilahang ado-ado nga kinabuhi. Sila ang tig-solve sa mga pamilya nga naay problema or sa bisag unsa nga personal nga problem. Nahibawaan unsa ang social workers. So mao ni siya ang 7 roles of social worker. First is ang advocate, counselor, mediator, researchers, educator, facilitator, and lastly the broker. So first and foremost, we have the advocate, di ba? So advocate is fight for the rights of minorities, typically their clients. And they also speak for their clients for most of the time because when the client speaks, it turns out that no one tends to listen. As such, they become the voice of the voiceless. And like ng mga indigenous tribes, mga magsasaka, mga bayi nga naabuso. And social worker, usually through groups, they can be those individuals. Those advocates, such as mayroon taka ng Avon Products, Greenpeace, and or even some party lists like Gabriela, ACT party list for teachers, they tend to become the voices. So, timan nga ang advocate is kailangan equal jud siya. And kuan siya kanang social justice for all individuals. We all serve counselors. And rationally, naani siya sa gidiscuss ni ma'am sa counseling. So, familiar na siya sa atua. So, ang counselor, they are those who empower people to affirm their personal strengths and capabilities. Make them understand what are their strengths, unsa ang ilang skills, or unsa ang pagbalik ang ilang trust sa ilang kaugalingon. Because the reality, it is an important part. Ang counseling is an integral part of social worker. While all counselor can be considered social workers, so dili tanan social workers kay counselors. So, nganong dilita ng social workers kay counselors? Because counselors need a separate license para i-practice ang ilang field. Counseling has still most of counselors are not all considered as a social workers or dili sila part sa social workers as a discipline. So, we also have mediator. So, kung mayroon taog mediator, it talks about neutral stance and certain community internal issues. They tend to intervene in disputes to find compromises, reconciliations, or agreements. In most areas sa Pilipinas, typically ang LGU or mga barangay officials, sila ang nagsilbing mediator sa mga concerns nato. Samot na pag community level. Pero sa laing lugar, wala sila kanang barangay captain, pero naa sila mediators or kanang social workers nga nag-act nga mediator sila.
So now we'll have to talk about the researcher. Ang researcher, i-evaluates nila, tinitignan nila kung applicable ka ba o effective yung mga program. And yung findings nila, they disseminate to improve yung practice overall, improve yung kaayusan at pagsasagawa ng mga program. Nowadays, most programs are integrated technology. Most social rate-related programs integrated technologies so that they can reach more people, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. So, integrating technology is part din siya ng researcher under sa social worker. And now, we have to talk about the educator. Ang educator is they give us information and teaching skill to clients and other system. The role of educator is counseling student, mentoring student, and teaching them to apply knowledge in their lives. For example of an educator, a person with the responsibility of designing learning experience teaching learners from for example, a teacher, lectures, a tutor, person who is an academic higher educator, who facilitates in higher educations, who facilitates learning in classrooms, where students, study towards their degrees. Facilitator, it give us a guide and support, individual or group, towards achieving their goal. Developing facilitation skills is crucial to succeed in this field. And communication skills are at the forefront of it. Plans, guide, and manage a group event to meet its goals. Sa Pilipinas, most social workers are good facilitator for advocacy policy change organization, and they also serve as a community organization. So broker in the other hand, serve as the middleman. They try to connect, example, CSR, a department sa usa ka company na o mga non-government organization na gusto mutabang dito sa mga lugar, sa mga grupo, sa tao, sa komunidad na nangangailangan ng tulong. So now, let us know the function of social worker.
In specific sectors, children is foster homes experiencing bullying, parents, better parenting, teacher, admin on student learning capabilities, elder, caregivers, teaching life skills, including budget, household management skill, basic nutrition. Also includes practical necessities to be a members of society, getting IDs, road safety, basic rights, etc. Providing us access to resources. Social workers must have relationship with various professions. Sometimes, certain activities require referral from social workers, i.e. adapting.
Research starting programs, looking for patterns and data about different population. Employing new techniques, new methods. Community education, discussion education on the root of the problem, thought assembly seminars. Example, a community with enough delicate children may require community assembly. Ano ang mga clients sa social workers? Children, older adults, people with disabilities, patients with chronic acute of clinical diagnosis, people with coping with grief of loss, people with mental illness, people struggle with education, impoverished groups, minorities in general.
In conclusion, social workers have several responsibilities, but one of their most important one is to advance social justice and enhance the well-being of individuals, families, and communities. Social workers evaluate their clients' needs. They create strategies to meet those needs. Offer assistance by making resource referral and implementing interventions. They deal with problems including mental health, drug misuse, domestic violence, poverty, and child welfare while working with a variety of demographic. In order to bring about systematic change, social worker also cooperate with other professional and push for change in policies, encouraging clients to reach their full potential and have fulfilling lives in their overarching objective. So, ang rules and functions sa social work, sila yung mutabang sa to, sila yung wag mo assess sa to, para mas makuha na to atong problema, masolusyonan. Sa rules, nakadiscuss na tabo itong naay mo kuan sa imo, assess mo ha. So, sila yung nagtabang sa imo na mo create og strategies, then sila mag-assess pud sila para ma-overcome nimo imong problem. And